I don't know many people that do not like talking about themselves or having someone interview them on all of their successes. If the job is not coming as quick and as fast as you may have expected, that's okay. Take a deep breath. You may need to just take a step back and maybe do what is called an informational interview. So what that is, it's building relationships in the field of your choice. Similar to looking at the end goal in mind, do an informational interview with the person that's in the job or the role that you want to be in one day. Ask them their experience, how it was getting there, what they needed, and what suggestions they have for someone that's starting out in the field, in this career path. I don't know many people that do not like talking about themselves or having someone interview them on all of their successes. So I don't think it'll be too difficult to do this. It just takes stepping out of your comfort zone a little bit. This will also recharge you. It'll also get you ready and passionate about submitting more job applications and going through that whole business, because I know it can be a frustration to do all of that. Make sure you take their card and you leave them your information, so if positions are to open up, they have you in mind and they can reach out to you if needed. There are so many opportunities for you out in the field. It's not that you're gonna have difficulty finding a job. What's gonna be the difficult thing is you're gonna want to jump into the roles that are usually reserved for a clinical social worker or a master's level social worker. You're gonna see that more and more, and then it's gonna drive you to go into your graduate program for sure. So, and that's a good thing, because that's the end goal, is to get to the LMSW or the LCSW. Always make sure that you're doing this for your passion. I know that money makes the world go round, but you will get to where you need to get to. Trust the process. This is your time to explore. This is your time to see what fits. That's why self-care is preached over and over and over to the students that are in their master's program for social work. I do believe that social workers invented the idea of self-care, that it stemmed from these social work programs or counseling programs, because we utilize ourselves so often in these roles. Whew. I get so excited when I talk about this stuff. Like I've said before in many other videos, if you have your bachelor's in social work, sociology, bachelor's in psychology, we're good. There are so many opportunities for you out in the field to work and spread positivity and help people through issues and listen. There's not enough of that in the world, so you are needed, and there is going to be a job for you. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you find it helpful. I would love to create a series of videos that discusses more about interviews and resume writing and things like that. Of course, if you want to work with me personally, I am a board certified supervisor. If you're looking to get a clinical license in the state of Texas, where if you're just wanting to work with me one-on-one, have someone as a mentor, have someone to walk you through some of these steps, please feel free, reach out to me. The best place to reach me is going to be my email, or go onto the blog and look at my different rates so that we can begin to work together and help you along your social work journey to reach those goals that I know that you can achieve. You can do it. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'm wishing you social work success. Until next time, bye-bye guys.